Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a flat neck break. If you've never done a neck break, my recommendation, head off, look at the neck break clip first, learn the neck break, and then come back. It's going to be a lot easier to learn this if you've done the other one beforehand. So it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So whereas a normal neck break, the lady comes in and comes back forwards before heading back to where she started, the flat neck break she carries on straight through. So we go semicircle back. Most people put the hand out, shoulder height, palm down at this stage. You don't have to do that. You can just bring the hand up when you need it, but in some places they'd say it was a signal for it as well. We'll talk about that in a minute. So we start a lady walking forwards, gentle pull. That hand is out, or has got to get out there shortly. As we come in, we start to turn the lady. Now, if you did it by the book, you should be hanging onto the hand and transferring. So you effectively got your arms in a loop around the lady's head at this point. I'm not a big fan of that, though it does work. And while you're learning, it's not a bad idea. I prefer to get part way there, let go, because the lady's going to carry on anyway, and then recatch the other side. So at no point does it feel like I'm hugging the lady's face. And then of course we can just carry on over the head for that big turn and a return to finish off. So what are the numbers? It goes back 1, in 2, transfer 3, big turn 4, facing 5, returning 6, and back 7. So let's try that. Here we go. Man's left, lady's right. 5, a 6, a flat neck break. We go a back and in, transfer, round again, and face, return, and back. Now that letting go and catching, there is of course one disadvantage, and that is if you miss the catch or you fluff the catch at all. So if you're confident that the lady will carry on, you're confident in your ability to catch the hand, the let go works better. If you're not confident about either of those things, then the actual transfer, you understand why it was there originally. So that's my advice. Do it when you're confident enough to do it. And I mentioned the signals earlier. Normal neck break, flat neck break. You can lead both of these moves without a signal, so you don't need to tell the lady it's coming. You can lead all the bits. And also, just to complicate matters, in some places they've reversed the signal, so they'd say that was a flat neck break and that was a neck break. So my advice, just lead the moves, try not to get hung up on signalling things that don't really need it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.